I wanted to share with you guys that I have a bit of a surprise coming for the holidays. The next workshop is called Kitty and Friends, and it's exactly that, Kitty and her friends. Mabel and Kitty will be taking center stage along with a songbird, a sweet little bunny, and a hummingbird. This is our chance to lighten up and have some fun, to paint our best friends or our best friends, maybe even end up with a lovely gift to give someone special. Mostly, I want to lighten up and get outside of our norm and play. This time of year can get a little crazy and intense, so let's paint some furry, fluffy critters, some sparkling eyes, and some warm puppy bellies. It's been a great year with all the workshops we put out, Making Your Mark, trees in pastel. We did lots of plein air painting and oil and acrylic and pastel. We just finished up a new workshop, Pastels for the Serious Beginner, which is a great place to get started in pastel. So now let's celebrate with this fun and playful workshop focusing on animals. I hope you'll really enjoy Kitty and Friends coming soon.